Woman killed, several injured in gun attack at Grand Spen Bar. 22-year-old man shot dead in nutshell in Ewerton. Police sergeant dies while on duty. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. At least one person is dead and several others injured following a shooting at a popular bar in Grand Spen, St. Andrew late Tuesday evening. The deceased has only been identified by her alias, Kim. It is understood that patrons were gathered at the well-known drinking spot when masked gunmen entered the establishment just before 10 p.m. and opened gunfire. Several people were reportedly shot during the incident. According to community members, screams and explosions sounding like gunshots could be heard coming from the bar. The police are currently investigating. The police in St. Catherine are probing the murder of a man outside his house in Nutshell, Orangefield, Ewerton, Tuesday night. He has been identified as 22-year-old laborer Eratine Christie. No motive has been established for the killing. The Linstead Criminal Investigation Branch is probing the incident. It is reported that about 8 p.m., Christie was at home and left after receiving a phone call. He was reportedly met by two men outside the dwelling. Explosions were then heard. When checks were made, he was found face down on the ground with gunshot wounds to the upper body. The police were called and the scene was processed. The body was also removed to the funeral home. A police sergeant died Tuesday morning after falling ill while he was on duty at the Halfway Tree Police Station lockup in St. Andrew. He has been identified as Sergeant Christopher Gordon. Reports are that Gordon was found unresponsive and rushed to hospital where he was pronounced dead. More details to come.